Hey guys, so midterms are coming up. I'm going to teach you guys just a quick rundown. There's to some of the songs that you guys are going to be performing for your midterm. So I'm going to start with the one that's the most popular, which is study number 7, or ADV, your advanced guitar piece number 10. Let me move some of this stuff. There we go. And for those of you guys, let's see. First off, when you're moving around in Sound Slice, what I like to do is this down here at the bottom where it says synthetic. When you default to Sound Slice, it goes to video, and you can see, old goofy pants over here. Turn that off. Okay, go to synthetic, so that way it drops the stuff off the screen. And then what I like to do is I'll zoom. So if you hit the settings gear right here, zoom in. So that way you're only looking at about 4 measures at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty solid for me. Let's take the first 4 measures and just take it in a nice small chunk here, okay? Let me move this down, okay? And that's as low as it's gonna go today. All right, cool. So here's what you got. Measures 1 through 4, you're looking at this. 2, 1, 0, 3. And these, you can see up here in the notation that they're all stemmed down. So you can use your thumb to play all of those, okay? I would approach it like this. Take just the first measure. Okay, so with just your thumb, 2, 1, 0, 3. Okay. What I would do next is, once you're comfortable with that, and we're just using measure 1 right now, add either your pointer or your middle finger to pull up on that open string in between those notes. So we'll play like this. Okay. So again, just thumb on its own. Now we're going to add the middle finger. Okay. That's the way that I would take down every single one of these measures. Start slowly and use just your thumb at first, so kind of ignore that open string on top, because honestly, that string doesn't change. Your thumb is going to be the one changing. So if you interpret this as just a melody for your thumb, the whole thing becomes a lot easier. Let's add the second measure in there. Play the second measure by itself first. So it's 1, 2, 0, 0. So 1 on the second string, 2 on the third string, and then open on the second string, open on the third string. Looks like this. Okay? Anybody can do this. Okay? Then once you have that down, add either your middle finger or your pointer finger up on the as a free stroke on the first string. Oops. Okay. Go slow and evenly. Let's try doing the first 2 measures together now. We'll do it once, just the thumb, and then we'll add our finger pulling up on the first string. It goes like this. Okay. Add the finger. Okay. Notice that every time I'm playing, I anchor my pinky. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's just a habit that I've developed that seems to work for me. I put my pinky right here on the face of the guitar, and that helps me when I'm moving my middle finger to catch this top string. Having some kind of a reference point of where I am by having my finger kind of right here on the face of the guitar on the soundboard makes it easier for me to reset my finger when I need to find home again. And same thing with my thumb. So one more time, thumb and finger both, measures 1 and 2. Let's see both your hands, Mr. Anderson. Sorry. Okay. Go as slow as you need to go to get it down. If you look, if you've been in my class for a little while, you know that I'm always looking for repeated material because that makes it so much easier to learn stuff. Well, if you look at this, check this out. 2, 1, 0, 3, 1, 2, 0, 0. It's kind of a funky pattern, right? But then you look over here, 2, 1, 0, 3, 1, 2, 0, 0. What the heck? You mean to tell me that if I play measures 1 and 2, that I can also play measures 3 and 4 because they're exactly the same? Yeah, the answer is yes. All right. I laugh at my own jokes too much. All right, so that's what you guys need to be working on is take measures 1 and then 1 and 2. And then once you've got 1 and 2 down with the added finger on the top string, that means you can play the entire first row, okay? And let's do it like this. We're going to play it together, measures 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to tilt just a little bit so now I'm in more of a proper guitar playing position. Just the thumb. Here's measure 3. Let's add our second finger, either the pointer or the middle, whatever you choose. Okay. Not too shabby, not too tough. The trick to doing this is the same as the trick to any guitar piece. Take it in small pieces, small manageable pieces, do it slowly and correctly, and then start adding and building it up. You can do this.